Welcome back to Mooney English. Today we are reading article number 110. Avoid these errors to escape the grammar police.
There are a lot of things to watch out for on social media.
Fake. This word is an adjective. It means not real or genuine.
You have to worry about fake news, fake profiles, and angry people. And there's another thing to watch out for: the grammar police. This is a term used for people who can't resist pointing out someone else's incorrect grammar. However, while the grammar police may be annoying, they may also be right. Here are 3 common mistakes that the grammar police just love to correct. There, and there. People often confuse these 3 words, meaning you might see someone write there over there talking to their friend. But there's an easy way to remember the difference. There refers to a place, and it's just here with an extra T. So think, if it's not here, it must be there. There refers to something that belongs to a person or a group of people, so it has a little I in it, which looks like a person. And there has an apostrophe, which shows that it's short for they are. So just try writing they are instead of there. And if your words still make sense, they're fine. Your and your. Since your is short for you are, this can be checked by trying to write the same thing with you are. If it still makes sense with you are, you're fine. If not, your word is your, which refers to something that belongs to the person you're talking to. Should've and should've. Native speakers often make the mistake of writing should've instead of should have. This probably comes from mishearing. When we say should've, the last part sounds quite similar to of. This happens with could've and would've too. But in all of these words, the V is replacing have, not of. Now you know how to avoid the grammar police.